There's a true story of a couple that moved into Yerushalayim in a new apartment, and the woman was looking outside of her window, and she noticed that a young lady outside across from her was putting out laundry to dry. And while she was putting out that laundry, she noticed there was a tremendous amount of spots all over the laundry. She told her husband, very strange. She obviously is inexperienced. She doesn't know how to use soap properly. This recurred a number of times until one day on Erev Shabbat, wow, Baruch Hashem, she told her husband, I see that the lady's getting better. The laundry is that much cleaner. Her husband told her, I'm sorry to say, but nothing changed with her. What happened was that it's Erev Shabbat, I cleaned the windows. The windows were full of spots. And now that I've cleaned them, you were able to see the laundry much clearer. A lot of times we see the faults in other people. We're much more quick to be judgmental. We have to put our head into someone else's head and see that the way I think is not always the way that they think. And if we're able to change that type of idea, we'll be able to conquer this disease that we call Covid-19. Covid-19 is from Lashon Kavod. Giving kavod to someone else, honoring someone else and giving him the proper respect that he deserves.